Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get bling effect on TikTok. So as you can see, we're on the TikTok app now. The first step is going to be on discover, so click that magnifying glass in the bottom left hand corner as I do there. Then you want to click search at the top, that search bar. Then you want to type in hashtag bling bling. So as you can see there in my recent searches, go ahead and type that in. Then you'll want to click on that hashtag bling bling there. Then you'll see the red circle at the bottom in the middle with a camera in it. Go ahead and click on that. Then you'll find the effect in the bottom left hand corner. Click on where it says effects. Then you'll see that bling at the bottom left there. I've just gone ahead and clicked on it. Then you can do your video by pressing in that red button there, or getting a video already from your device by clicking the bottom right hand corner. So that's how you do it. Leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on the TikTok app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.